Hello, this is Nacheppa from iSquare. Here we are going to discuss on LMAP P7, what are the training and implementation required, and strength and weakness, opportunities and threats as against the previous audits. Important activity that Tannery should do either with consulting or without consulting uh, to record immediately the following things to get a better rating, that is gold rating or silver rating, like that. Purchase input material from LWG source. This has to be substantiated with evidences like e-way bill and bill of lading, which can be checked online. Become member of ZDHC, zero discharge of hazardous chemicals. Only use chemicals that are listed in ZDHC or tested for ZDHC MRSL by approved labs. Every supplier of chemical and leather purchased must give compliance declaration. Without a declaration, gold rating will be in stake. Test for RSL, one per every 200 batch. Every buyer who issued RSL for every article being produced. Test for Chrome 6 on aging, one per every 20 batches. Maintain a legal register of specific format as required by LWG. Maintain a ledger for waste disposal then and there. Do you need further assistance? We are available to offer you the training, your team, or implementation support on LMAP P7, preparation and presentation to LMAP. Do write to us at the following emails or through WhatsApp. Here we offer you from iSquare is that we are going to charge you the same right from now for the 2 years, or even if you are going to start it 1 or 2 months before your audit. So it is a good offer that we travel together to get a better rating. And let us get into details of LMAP P7, the threats and opportunities. The threats are that there are 12 instances for gold rating, which is in stake at 12 instances. Medal rating is in stake at 28 instances, and negative scoring is there at 101 instances. Opportunity is that you are going to collect data for 2 years. That means you are going to monitor yourself for 2 years. Then you can unearth a lot of golden nuggets and you can improve your production, optimize your production. Broad and intense assessment and management of EMS, chemical management, RSL, incoming and outgoing management, and emergency preparedness. New procedures are there for chemical management to prevent Chrome 6 formation, for how to purchase the material, what are the storage and handling procedures, all those things that will come under chemical management procedure, and RSL management, waste management, and additional risk assessment for and training on potential emergencies, that is emergencies on environmental emergencies, chemical related emergencies, health and safety related emergencies. PPE for each employee and our workstation will be assessed. Building up the ability on aspect impact analysis, working on environmental programs, at least 2 quantifiable objectives and 3 non-quantifiable objectives, or all can be quantifiable objective. Internal audits with proper non-conformance reports and closure of those reports, and appropriate MRMs, management review meeting. Availability of LWG source is wide now because there is now a trader audit besides leather manufacturer audit for raw to wet blue processing or raw to EA processing. Here, tannery has to take care that when they source from a trader, they have to take care that trader is supplying them the LWG source material. They can also sell non-LWG source. So there will be difference between LWG source and non-LWG source in 3 aspects. One is in the invoice, another is in the shipping document, and another is in the packing. So they have to do separate type of packing, invoice and shipping document for LWG material, that is LWG source material, and separate type of all these three for non-LWG material. So tannery has to be very clear when they are buying from a trader. Support by ZDHC for choosing chemicals, because ZDHC, if we choose chemicals that are in level 2 or level 3 in ZDHC, there is no issues and you can say goodbye to the declaration and test reports from the suppliers, because everything is taken care. Otherwise, we need to do testing and take declaration from every supplier. What I-Square does, our team is to guide the tannery LWG team. We provide a template of policy, procedures and other relevant documents and data sheets. We train, implement system, monitor activities, analyze gaps and advise for improving the gaps. Compile data, prepare and present to the auditor. However, all field work, document customization, infrastructure work and answering the auditor during the audit as an auditee during audit has to be done by tannery team. Tannery top management has to allocate responsibility for roles defined during implementation. We provide policy and procedures as per LMAP P7 requirement on environment management system, chemical and RSL management system, emergency preparedness, waste management, housekeeping and complaints management. We give training on as per LMAP P7 requirement on hydrogen sulfide risk, potential emergencies like environmental emergency, chemical related emergency, health and safety related emergency, PPE required for each employee or workstation. This will be assessed and training will be given, and chemical storage and handling, safety in workplace. The other trainings I-Square does are on environmental management system awareness, maintenance of legal requirement register and legal compliance register, aspect impact analysis, derivation of environment management programs, internal audits, non-conformance reports and closure, documentation and management reviews. Further, the trainings continue on RSL management system, communication with customers, when to communicate, what to communicate, compilation of buyers RSL, that is getting buyers RSL and compiling that to create self RSL, communicate with suppliers, RSL compliance testing, provide training as per LMAP P7 requirement on chemical management system, matching existing suppliers or chemicals to comply P7 requirements, like we said on the ZDHC or test from for ZDHC MRSL. Choose new suppliers or chemicals, how to choose a new supplier or a new chemical, and when if you are going to change a chemical, what kind of procedure has to be followed for changing a chemical, and maintaining chemical ledger, hazardous and non-hazardous chemicals. Same way for waste management system, maintaining a waste ledger, hazardous and non-hazardous. What do we do the implementation? Implement all systems trained for first 3 months. We handhold with the tanner to do the implementation, then do a gap analysis or a mock audit, then monitor and help the tannery team by doing work and guiding them to do work individually. We will see by the side of them, but they will be working, and this is for the second 3 months. Again, we do a gap analysis and a mock audit to appraise the tannery team. Then finally, we let the tannery team to work on their own, monitor at regular intervals. We come at regular intervals once in a month, and for the next 3 months. Again, do a gap analysis and mock audit. If the tannery is ready, we can apply for the auditor, or we continue that for 3 or 6 months, then go for the final audit. What do we do in the preparation? We compile the collected data to suit LWG leather manufacturer audit protocol P7 requirement, do mock audit to know where tannery stands and what could be their level of rating. Handholding to do necessary housekeeping work, Present to auditor with Tannery team. iSquare will be observer and guide during the audit. Tannery team is the auditee and will have to answer the auditor. Of course, we'll be helping you at the back end. What we expect top management to do is that allocate team one or more member towards one or more multiple roles like for legal aspect, purchase data, production data, energy data, water data collection, waste data collection, EMS management representative, and emergency coordinator, chemical management coordinator. For chemical management coordinator, we need a chemistry or leather technology educated background people. RSL and MRSL management, this one who has a good relation with the buyer and supplier can do very well. And the top management should sit in management review and take necessary decision to next course of action. What the Tannery team have to do is that they have to complete individual tasks scheduled as per schedule prepared or modified on the go. Report completion of work to LWG coordinator or top management and the consultant, that is iSquare us. So do you need the further assistance? As we said, we are there for you. Here we give the offer again to reinstate. We are there for you right from the beginning. So we will be charging the same, even same like what we are going to charge you when we start just 2 months earlier or 3 months earlier. Now we offer that, we'll do that for entire 2 years at same cost. This will help both of us, that is the Tannery and the iSquare team, because we collect data and process everything then and there. So there will not be any lag and it will be a perfect audit when we go for an audit. Thank you.